JCA is Jewish Council for the Aging, and we are a nonprofit that has been around 50 years. We're celebrating our 50th anniversary, and our motto is helping all seniors thrive. We sponsor 9 expos throughout the year, 3 in Northern Virginia. We have one coming up in October 12th. And in these expos, what we'd like to do is we bring 50 plus job seekers together with employers in Northern Virginia and Fairfax. It is free to participate both as a job seeker and an employer. And all of our employers who participate, they have to come with at least 3 to 5 employment opportunities. And so we really kind of mesh the needs of our local employers and our job seekers and really engaging them and helping them find employment. All of our expos are virtual as an interactive online program. With the pandemic, our 50 plus job seekers have become more tech savvy, so they feel more comfortable being on the Zoom format. And the fact that we are now able to offer these expos throughout the year, not just a one-time event, and then our job seekers can find out about those opportunities in real time. Career Gateway is a 5-day job search skills training program for professional 50-plus job seekers who are looking to re-enter the workplace or perhaps transition into a new career. It's still virtual. We used to be in person before the pandemic, and now we're right now we're still on Zoom as an interactive online program. It is still, though it's offered live, so we want our participants to be there, to really participate, to be engaged, and we continue all of the activities as if we were in person. We've transported into this virtual realm. So we still conduct we do a resume review on day 2 of the Career Gateway, where we will pair volunteers up with our participants, and they'll get their resume reviewed by 4 or 5 different volunteers. We'll do a demonstration interview, all virtual, which is really more of what's happening in today's job market. We come with course curriculum that was created just with this program in mind, and we tweak it yearly, so we keep it all updated and current. So job seeking can be very isolating, very lonely, and sometimes just totally frustrating. And so it's so nice to have this program be there for our 50 plus job seekers, keeping up those skills for our 50 plus job seekers to keep them current, to keep them marketable, and really in the know of today's job market.